What most people see as waste often carries the richest stories. Scrap wood, discarded, broken, forgotten, holds marks of time that new material cannot imitate. Scratches, nail holes, faded edges, and uneven grain are not flaws here. They are history waiting to be reshaped. This video is about seeing differently, about slowing down and recognizing beauty where others see nothing. Scrap wood is not the end of something. It is the beginning of a new form, a second life shaped by patience, creativity, and respect for the material. In a fast world that values perfection and speed, working with scrap wood asks us to pause. These pieces were never meant to match. They come from different places, different moments, different purposes. Yet when brought together with intention, they create harmony, not through sameness but through balance. The process begins quietly. No loud machines rushing the outcome, just observation. Hands move across rough surfaces, feeling texture, density, resistance. Every piece speaks in its own way. Some are strong and heavy. Others are light and fragile. Each one suggests what it wants to become. Scrap wood teaches humility. You cannot force it into a perfect shape. You must adapt. You must listen. The grain may twist unexpectedly. The edges may refuse symmetry. Instead of fighting these qualities, the craftsman learns to work with them. That cooperation is where true art begins. This is not about copying designs or chasing trends. It is about responding to what already exists. A crack becomes a line of character. A knot becomes a focal point. A broken edge becomes a natural curve. What once seemed unusable now defines the piece. As pieces are selected and arranged, a quiet order forms. Colors contrast gently. Textures complement each other. There is no rush to assemble. Time is part of the craft. Stepping back, observing, adjusting. This rhythm is slow, intentional, and deeply calming. Scrap wood carries emotional weight. It may come from old furniture, construction leftovers, or fallen structures. Each piece has served a purpose before. Transforming it into art is an act of respect. Nothing is wasted. Everything is acknowledged. This approach to wood art changes how we see value. Beauty is no longer about polish or perfection. It is about honesty, about showing the material as it is, not hiding its past. In this honesty, the final piece feels grounded, authentic, and alive. The act of creating from scrap wood also mirrors life itself. We are all shaped by experiences, marks, and imperfections. When arranged with care, those imperfections create depth, not weakness. Strength comes from acceptance, not erasure. As the work progresses, tools move slowly, cuts are measured, pressure is controlled. There is no need to rush. The goal is not speed, the goal is understanding. Each motion builds trust between the hand and the material. Sound becomes part of the experience. The soft scrape of sanding, the dull tap of joining pieces. These sounds are calming, repetitive, grounding. They invite the viewer to slow their breath, to stay present. This is why scrap wood art feels different. It carries quiet energy. It does not demand attention, it invites it. The finished piece does not shout. It speaks softly, confidently, knowing it does not need approval. As shapes begin to emerge, the transformation becomes visible. What once looked chaotic now feels intentional. Contrast becomes balance. Roughness becomes texture. Randomness becomes design. There is a deep satisfaction in this moment, not because the piece is finished, but because it is becoming. Watching scrap wood change form reminds us that creation is a journey, not a result. This journey is not about perfection. It is about presence, about staying with the process even when it feels uncertain. Scrap wood often surprises. Pieces may not fit as expected. Adjustments are constant. Flexibility becomes essential. Through this flexibility, creativity grows. Limitations do not restrict expression. They guide it. Working with what you have forces imagination to step forward. Solutions emerge not from abundance but from attention. This is the heart of handmade art. Not control but collaboration. Not dominance but dialogue. The wood leads as much as the maker does. As the form stabilizes, the piece begins to carry a quiet confidence. It does not pretend to be new. It does not hide its origin. Its beauty lies in transformation, not disguise. This is the kind of art that feels human, imperfect, layered, patient. It reminds us that value does not disappear when something is broken. Often, that is when it truly begins. And this is only the beginning. Because beyond the physical transformation, scrap wood art offers something deeper, a lesson about time, about sustainability, about attention in a distracted world.